Phobias are irrational fear of an object, animal, situation, frequently associated with substance abuse. Ano bang common categories ng phobia? Meron natural, animals, mutilation, or situation. Example natin with natural, astrophobia, yan, hydrophobia, pagtakot sa tubig. Animals naman, cynophobia. For medical treatment, tryponophobia, and also situations, claustrophobia. Yung mga, ano, may phobia sa tight spaces. Anxiety disorders naman, it involves more than temporary worry or fear. Pero para mas clear, mas i-differentiate natin siya. Although anxiety and phobias related siya with fear and worry, medyo different siya when it comes to intensity niya. No? Kapag anxiety, it's general feeling of unease or worry. Kumbaga, general siya. Like, sometimes talagang nakakaramdam tayo ng anxiety. But with phobias, much intense, mas irrational and also specific sa bagay or gamit or the environmental condition, yung na-discuss natin kanina.